There is currently a MetaQuest sale going on right now for MetaQuest games. Finally, spring sale is what it says. It says shake off the winter with up to 50% off. Sale ends March 22nd. Now, if you guys want to buy MetaQuest games that are on sale, perhaps, feel free to use code TECH at checkout for 10% off. Yes, 10% off even games that aren't participating in this sale. And let's see some of the games that are participating in this sale. Okay, interesting, interesting, interesting. This Rubber Quest VR pre-order is participating in this sale as well. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Okay, let's see. And there are just some other games that I haven't necessarily played before, but the And Stuff series is actually pretty fun. And then the bottom will be just stuff that's selling this week. But let's go into all the games specifically that are on sale by hitting this. Okay, so these are the games specifically affected by this sale. Okay, again, if there's any games not on this list and you still want to get a deal for them, feel free to use code TECH at checkout for 10% off. Okay, let's see. Realmcraft. Realmcraft, huh? Okay, that's interesting. Ooh, that's actually a good sale. That is a real good sale. That is a lot off. Okay, then we have Mythic Realms, Arcade Legend, Ancient Dungeon. Okay, Deadly Dungeons. Okay, that doesn't seem like it's for me. Synth Riders. Synth Riders is always fun. Yeah. Synth Riders is always fun, in my opinion. In my humble opinion. Very humble opinion. Dark Sword, Battle Eternity seems like it could be fun. Then we have Tetris, Effect, and yeah, there we go. We have some interesting game. Final Fury. Fun fact, Final Fury is by the people that make Synth Riders, Dungeons of Eternity. And yeah, that's just a lot of good games here. Again, any games that aren't on the sale, or if you miss out on the sale, feel free to use code TECH at checkout to get 10% off. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.